Hi guys, hello everyone. This is Sheikh Mohammed. You're watching Mohammed Madhu channel. Today my topic is my final year project, guys. I'm gonna do ETABS today, guys. I'm gonna explain how I did my project in ETABS. In this project, I'm gonna explain only up to run analysis. That's it, guys. After analysis, you're gonna get results and all of that. Let me start. After that, I'm gonna do. I'm going to consider the big part of seismic analysis part. Those were two part, guys. One is response spectral analysis, another one is static analysis, guys. These two are very gigantic, guys. So I'm going to explain you each and every part, differently, guys. I'm going to consider this one as part 1, ETABS part 1, guys. Okay, let's start. Let's go to ETABS, guys. Click on this. In this video, I'm considering only the construction of building, applying of load, guys. Only loads. There's no wind loads, seismic loads like that. Only live load, dead load like that. Okay, let's go to file. Start here, guys. If you are very new to ETABS, guys, I'm gonna do steel structure here, not the concrete. Why? Because my project rely on steel structure. So that I could have extra benefit for my job. So I consider this one as steel structure, guys. If you are new to ETABS and how to start, how to draw grid lines, and how to place members, if you want, and assign loads, patterns like that. If you want to understand now, you can understand now, guys. And I'm opening file. And file, I'm going to new model. Click on this, guys. And you can see here there is use building settings with display unit is metric IS. Metric IS we are using, guys, in India. And then section steel section database. Steel section database is Indian also, and this is a steel design code. I'm using IS 1800 2007, guys. This is a concrete IS code, guys, for Indians, and for us, guys. And concrete design code is IS 456 222, guys. 2000, guys. This is concrete code. Everyone knows this, I think so. And click on OK, guys. And here we can see, guys, there is a uniform grid. This is new model quick template, grid dimensions, and you can observe here uniform grid spacing, number of grids in X direction means in these directions. You can see here in this direction, number of grids in Y direction means in this direction. Okay, horizontally and vertically. Okay, in horizontally, how many grids you gonna place? 4. I consider my project. I'm gonna show you my project, guys. I'm gonna show you my project, and I want you to know I mean methodologies, guys. That's my seismic load. Okay, let's go. Let's consider the main part, and this is my frame geometry, guys. You can look at here, frame geometry. And what I consider is very simple. I want very simple to understand, and I just apply seismic loads. That's why I want very simple, not a complex way. So I had taken 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4 means 4 grids and 4 grids, guys. And the spacing is, you can see here, 3 meters, 3 meters. Yeah. Let's go to project and look at here, guys. My spacing is 3 meters, guys, and my spacing is 3 meters. I'm telling you in simpler manner. After the completion of this, I'm gonna start ETABS series, guys. From the basics, I'm gonna start and explain to you everything. And you can see here, guys, simple story data. Number of stories is 4. I consider G plus 5. Basement is one story like that. Bottom story height is 3, so I'm considering G plus 5. That's why I'm considered 5 stories, and 3 meters, 3 meters height. And I'm getting to here as structural object is grid only. Okay, I'm just selecting this. Okay, guys, and click on OK. And after that, you can have the display on this like this. You're gonna have two tabs, guys. One is plain view, which is a plain view, guys, and this one is 3D view. You can have elevation view also, but if I show here, you may get confused, so I'm not showing here. After going through the class, I'm gonna show you uh, the elevation view also, and I'm gonna reduce this one. Why? Because most of the time we are using in this only, guys. So yeah, that's the best thing, I think so. And now what we should consider is now we should define material, guys. Define, and let's go to define menu and click on material properties, and we are going to add new material. Click on this and click on India. Region is India, guys, and first one is steel, and I'm just placing like that only. And India, standard is India, and we're gonna have a grade 4 to FE 250 and FE 345. FE 250, guys, that's a mild steel. We should not use the mild steel, guys, as a main steel, so we are selecting FE 345 and click on OK. And after that, material name FE 345, and material type is steel and isotropic, and keep all rest of the things default and click on OK. And I'm gonna add another one that is steel only, guys. Okay, I'm gonna not steel, sorry, concrete, guys. That's the main thing. And this is Indian. You can select any other concrete, guys, but as a most default thing is M30, so I'm considering M30. Most of the people using also M30, guys, for G plus 5 for stories like that. If you are using skyscraper, you can use M60 like that. That's your option, guys, and I'm clicking OK. And uh, rest of the things I'm keeping as default, guys, so click on OK and add a new material, guys. And here I'm considering rebar, guys, for concrete, and this rebar is I'm considering 415. Okay, and click on OK. And this is the thing, guys, and I'm changing it as default, so click on OK. And after that, you can like look at and click on OK, guys. After that, what you're gonna do is after defining the material properties, we should define a material sections also, guys. So go to define and select section properties and select frame sections, guys. Guys, I'm selecting this one for steel structure, guys. Okay, I'm just considering only steel structure here, so you can I'm importing steel structure, guys, concrete rectangle like that, many things, but I'm just considering steel. Click on this, and I'm considering two things, guys. Material default, just change this, guys, as M60 FE 465, and I'm considering 250 control 250 as for column, IS HP 250 for column, and IS MB 200 for beam. I'm considering lightweight or medium beam, guys. Is your wish. Okay, I'm considering lightweight, guys. And first I'm considering this one. Okay, click on OK first thing, and again go to import properties and click on I section, and you can see ISLV. My god, yeah, I got it. After that, let's go to ISLV, guys. This is JOIST, and this is I'm considering 200, guys. ISLV 200 lightweight beam. Okay, and I'm clicking on OK, and after that and for every steel structure you need to have a deck, and also you need to have joist, guys. For that I'm also selecting joist, guys. For that I'm gonna show you where the joist is. Just click on this. Yeah, you can see, look at here, this is a column, guys, and this is a beam, which is outermost part, and this main parts, guys, which is connecting column. You can see here column. This one is beam, guys. This one is beam, but you can see the middle of that there is no support with the column, guys. Those are joists, what you call joists, guys. So what I can do is go to define and section properties and frame, and add new property, guys, and go to joist. Click on I section like that, and you can look at here. Okay, I'm gonna import, guys. That's the best thing, I think so. Just import. I think so this one is the best, and IS J series like that. You can have J series or L series. Guys, for this I'm gonna show you what are the joists. The joists were 4 types, guys. First one is K series, guys. K series, which is depth of 8 inch to 20 inch like that, and 15 inch like that. And after that LH series and LH series, and last one is grid joist, guys. And I'm using here is K series, guys, which I had used mostly in my project or live projects in my company also. So I'm gonna use K series. There's no K series in this India, guys, so I'm just considering as a default as IS lightweight joist. I'm considering joist IS JC 100 I'm considering. Or okay, guys, this is not import thing, we can't do. Okay, let's go to steel, and just to select joist 10 inch I'm considering. Okay, 10 inch, yeah, this one. And material is H5SD 415, and change nodes like that. And steel shape is a joist section. Yeah, you can look at that. And when coming to, I'm considering standard cases or envelope as a default thing. And you can look at here, guys, depth is 254 mm. How it came, I'm gonna explain you guys. Go to calci, this is a normal calculator. I want scientific like that. Okay, there is no calculation like that. Okay, calci, which is used for scientific, if you can sense it. Okay, there's nothing. Okay, I'm going to tell you how I did this one. 250 254 divided by 10 inch means 25.4 means 2.54. I think so you got this value 2.54, where 1 centimeter is equal, sorry, 1 inch is equal to 2.54, guys. That's how I calculated. So you can observe, guys, this 10 inch is nothing but 254 or 25.4 centimeters, like that. And rest of the things I'm lefting as a default, guys, and click on OK. And now I had JOISTS 10 and click on OK, guys. After that, and let's go to define again and section properties. Now what we require is a slab or deck. For slab, you are using for concrete structures. For deck, you are using for steel structure, guys. And click on deck section and add new property and just modify it as deck steel, and this is fill type fill only, and slab material is M30, guys, as it is concrete. Deck material is steel, that's why you are using HYST 415. And model type and display color, we change it, we are keeping it as a default, but we are changing this one in depth, guys. So slab depth is 1110 and click on OK and OK. And now we can look at here. Up to now our defining properties for our, guys. And now what we need to do is draw for every defining or material you need to save, guys. Okay, and now go to draw and select draw beams, columns, bracings, like that. In this, guys, I'm going to tell you before drawing this, I'm going to tell you 4 things. For drawing properties, I'm selecting only columns and beams and joists and deck only, guys. Okay, I'm going to draw here. After that, I could draw bracings, like that, but this is out of the concept, so I am explaining you next video, guys, how to draw bracings and knee bracings, like that. So in this one, I'm going considering only 4 things, guys. Okay, and go to draw property and menu and draw beam and select draw column, guys, or you can select as a default here big draw in the left corner, guys. And before applying here, just look at here, guys, at the bottom of this. Is this all stories, single stories, or one story? If you want to apply all stories at once, you need to click all stories, guys. I'm going to tell you single stories in next topic. That's a different concept. Okay, and when coming to properties, I'm considered ISHB 252. That's my beam, and just track it, guys, and apply it at once and leave it. And it applied, guys. In this, you can look at here. I'm gonna show you. Yeah, look at here, guys. You can see now. Yeah, here also it's there. Yeah, it's there, guys. For yeah, look at here, guys. You can see here. Yeah, and click on escape, and now go to draw and go to draw and draw beam column, and I'm considering here pick draw beam or columns, guys. Click on this, and as I did earlier, go to properties and click on ISLB 200 as a considered lightweight beam, guys, and click on this, guys, and moment releases is continuous or pin is your option, guys. I'm considering this one as continuous, and as you did earlier, drag here, guys, for beams. It's taking time, guys, really time. I need to extrude, and this one, yeah, this one, guys, this is what beams and columns. Yeah, you can if you want to rotate this one, what you need to do is click on shift and click on pan button middle of mouse and rotate this one, guys, like whichever direction you want, whichever perspective you want to see. I'm just considering here. Yeah, this is the best one. Why? Because I had a grids also. Okay, guys, and that's it. And after that, go to drawing and beams is over, I think so. And what you need to do is go to drawings and draw secondary beams, guys. This is nothing but joists. Okay, click on this and go to properties. What I said earlier is joist is joist 10 inches. So click on this, guys, and this is a moment releases is pinned. Should keep as pinned, guys. This is not continuous, so make sure that if it is continuous, you should have a pin, guys, and spacing number of beams, guys, between number of beams, and you can locate here it considered 3, and number of beams is 3, guys, and I'm just keeping is default. So for 1 meter you need to keep, guys, so it is in default and it is exact also. So what I'm doing is I'm just dragging all these things, guys, and just placing, and that's it, guys, and click on escape. And after columns, beams and joists, what you need is a topmost thing, guys. What is slab in concrete? In steel we need to consider deck. Okay, go to drawings and go to draw floor or wall objects and click on draw rectangle floor, or you can click on draw floor or wall, guys. Just click on this and go to properties and select deck steel, and that's it, guys. Straight and everything is okay. And what you need to do is draw carefully, guys. Just select this one, and I'm going too far, and select this one, and I'm ending with this, and after that click on right click. Okay, guys, and that's it. You can observe for everything, guys. Click on escape, guys. Escape. Yeah, here what you need to do is here you can locate here, guys. We had bottom. At bottom you can see there is a deck strap. There is no need of deck straps, so what you need to do is select one story and go to bottom, guys, bottom and bottom story. Yeah, I'm just clicking escape and click on this, guys. Click on this. It is selecting only at bottom, guys, so click on delete. Yeah, it is deleted. You can look at here, and that's it, guys, for drawing beams and columns. And This is nothing but sometimes we call placing members. Placing members in Tekla we're gonna call placing members. In this one we're gonna call the columns and beams, and after that we're gonna assign load patterns and loads, dead load, live load, and super dead load. And in this phase I'm considering only dead load, live load, and super dead load, guys. And after next part I had a typical thing, so I'm considering seismic loads, pushover analysis, like there are many things, guys, many things out there. For this one, if you are newcomer, if you want to learn this one, I'm considering only dead load and live load, guys. And let's go and go to define, and go to, before going to that, let's go upside, guys, somewhat. Yeah, at least you might have some this one, and go to not one story, all stories. Okay, and select go to define and go to load patterns, guys. Click on this. We had as a default dead load and live load. There is no need to change, and if you want to modify and see, okay, there's no modification like that. That's as a default, guys. There is no need to change. And here one, what we want to consider is a super dead load. So what I'm uh, placing is yes, dead, and in type I'm going to consider super dead load, and I'm going to add this one new load. Click on this, and that's it. I had three loads, guys, for this part, and click on OK. It's a simple part, guys. This one had some error license, let me see. And now what we need to do is and what we need to do is go to define. We already defined load patterns, guys, and after that uh, go to and select and properties and deck section. I'm considering here deck section, guys. For deck section only I'm considering uh, sorry, let me select all stories and select deck section. For text section only I am applying for live load and dead load, guys. For beams and columns there is no need of live load and dead load. Why? Because that's a default thing. So here we can see here, guys, yeah, I'm applying live load and dead load for text section, guys, and go to assign and shell loads and click on uniform, and this one is dead, guys. I'm considering the dead load as 2, and you can look at here. Okay, and click on this direction is gravity, guys. You can see this is global X to global Y. In global X global Y I'm going to tell you in seismic effects pushover, like that, and click on apply, guys. Click on apply, and you can look at here. This is represented as 2. This is nothing but the dead load is 2. Okay, guys, after that what you need to do is go to live load, and again if you want to select the previous selection, uh, select control J. 1 minute, control J. Yeah, you can see here, guys, this is selected the previous one. Or if you want to select again, go to select and properties and materials, sorry, go to select and properties and deck section and select guys. You want to select again, but there's a lot of process in that, so what you need to do is control Z. That's the best part. You can see here, control J is get previous selection, and go to live load and apply here guys, and click on OK, and save it guys. Okay, and after that there is a live load and dead load guys. How to check is click on this and right click on that, and there is assignments, and left right to this is loads, and go to this guys. There is a load pattern, dead load and live load. You can look at here, and two loads were applied guys. Like this you can check, and click on OK, and click on escape. Okay, and now what we need to do is apply super dead load to beams guys. So for that, go to select and properties and material properties. I'm selecting only material guys. Okay, material properties. uh, for beams, which material I'm using guys. Sorry guys. Mm, Select here and go to properties and frame section guys, and for uh, beams, which material I am use, that is ISLB 200 lightweight beam, and click on select, and you can look at here, every beam, each and every beam is selected, so just close it, and here what you need to do is assign frame load and distributed, and in this you need to select super dead load SD, which I defined earlier, and the force is forces only, not moments, and I don't want to do complex things for you, so I'm just keeping as simple as possible, and you can see distance 0, 0.25, 0. And 1, this one I'm just keeping a default, and you can see here also, and for every distance you can apply different types of load guys, but there is no need of complex things at the starting of the thing, so what you need to do is just keep it simple guys, and don't forget to uh, enter load guys. For super dead load I'm considering 7 kilonewton per meter guys, and I'm gonna apply. Click on this. Before applying, I'm gonna show how it is gonna apply. Just click on apply guys. Yeah, here you can look at this guys, and click on OK. Okay, yeah, here you can look at here guys. For each and every beam, the 7 super dead load is applied guys, and everything is fine, I think so. After applying this one, say don't forget to save. Okay, and click on Control S guys. That's the best part. Then to go to file like that. Okay, after the application of super dead load guys, and after the final conclusion, you may ask me why you haven't mentioned or drawn wall here. But in my project what I need to do is I need to place knee bracings guys. That's a tough one. If I place walls, I couldn't place knee bracing guys here. I'm gonna show you in my, yeah, this one guys. You can look at here. This is called extreme bracing. Yeah, you can look at here guys. This is called extreme bracing. This also you can look at here. Yeah, yeah, look at here guys. This is what knee bracing is. Okay, let's go to this one. Okay, and now what we need to do is run the analysis guys for uh, shear force and bending moments, and go to analysis and click on run analysis or F5. and wait for a while, guys. Yeah, it's completed. Yeah, you can look at here. Now this is the most important. Just track here like this. Get here, guys. Yeah, and if you want to rotate, what I said is click on animation. Yeah, start animation. I think so. There is a problem in my ETABS software, guys. So that's why it behaving like this. I'm sorry for that. It's a heavy voice, I guess. Because it's making a lot of noise. Yeah, you can get it. Okay, that's it, guys. Yeah, and you can look at here, guys. If you want to see bending moment and shear force, I'm gonna show you. Uh, and that's it, guys, for now. uh, in next video I'm gonna show you shear force, bending moment and everything, and with the seismic loss also what I have done in project. And if you like my video, do subscribe my channel, guys, for next videos, guys. Not only ETABS and other videos I'm using, um, I'm gonna show you, guys. I mean, AutoCAD, everyone knows AutoCAD, ArchiCAD, 3ds Max. If you want to know Tekka especially, I'm going to teach you, guys. I did my project, internship in project in Primavera, guys. This is Primavera P6. And ETABS is very similar, guys. I'm going to explain you what is our stack, guys, in upcoming years. Okay, upcoming days or months. Why? Because it is in initial stage. It is developed by our IIT Bombay people, guys. So that's it, guys, for now. And if you like my video, do subscribe my channel. Stay tuned for that. Signing off, Sheikh Muhammad Madhu. Bye bye.